Good afternoon, everyone. September 24, 2019. It's the winners and losers. ABBV holds on at 90% in the profit. So let's go to the charts. Here, PG. Let's go ahead and do them. Apologize, but here's something new. PG has joined the team this afternoon. Let me go ahead and reset this frame so it'll be a little clearer for you on your side of the world. And it's going to be one of my specialty entries. There's my entry point, exit, closing point, and we'll see how it goes. So there we are. Oh, another adjustment here at Thinkorswim. We have to keep working with these little restrictions, but challenging trade can be challenging. Now, PG owes 867. This comes off our losers list. And look at this. We have some nice possibilities here with an up climbing MACD. And the only thing, stochastics is kind of on the high side already, but that's what it is. Let's go to the numbers. So there's PE joining us on the team. Then they're running now on minus 4.3, $39 behind, 16 contracts. Entry was 454. The reason I show these prices is to show you that you don't need a lot of money. You just got to have at least $500, and you got to have approval to do options, and you get to do approve options when you have the right mentor or teacher to help you answer all the right questions, because it's all done electronically. They don't come knocking on your door and say, prove yourself. Now, you answer the questions, you sign off, and boom, you're in. It would be good to have an account about maybe 2,000, better if you have more, and let it build up. That said, let's go ahead and close off the PE and move on now to our circle. We're at 90% on ABBV positions. Where are you? Oh, here it is, because this is so big now, and this doesn't expand. So here we are. Let's keep this rolling along. There we are. And our stop is still stuck in the, oh no, ABB is the out is somewhere in this zone. Somewhere in here is our out, and we're waiting for a, I will let you know that I do subscribe to the notion that you don't take profit off the table. As a pension trustee, I have talked to many portfolio managers, and that's what they do. When the pot gets, it's like poker. Trading is like poker. The pot gets full of money, and the first person to grab it off the table is the winner. That's how it works. So we have our rules of exit, and we're waiting on. Moving on. CBS. Oh, CBS has fallen back some. Oh, this is this. From this point forward, we are going to be talking about the losers. Right after we cross it past Tau, we're into the loser zone. It happens. So here we are, and there. Oh, look at that! Almost got stopped out. If we get stopped out, we pick up a little bit of money, not as much as I would like, but bottom line is we chip away at the rock, turn it into a pebble. Moving on now to Tau. Tau took a big drop today. I don't know why. I don't pay attention to the news until after the news. So something must have happened in the Tau universe that would cause this to happen. And we are protecting our capital with a long defense. We are in still long defense. Anything from here down is in long defense. That's my green line there. All right. So with Tau, we go on to PG. PG is our new team member. It comes in with a 867 on its shoulders that it has to pay, that owes us. Nice push here on the lower long defense, and that's where our stop is a stop limit. We have a stop limit here of 230. That's right. This option cost us approximately around 270. Cost us 270. So we're going to be we'll be at a stop at 230. It's fine. I'm just waiting for the right action to be able to move the defense to midfield. Okay, that said, T minus, what a jalopy! I tell you, this. I like the owner, but I don't know what is going on between him and Congress and everything else going on in the world. I just don't know why this company cannot get its act together. It was 467. Now it's fallen down, and it's adding $49 more than my 467. Remember, we're almost at 2,500. So it is what it is. Remember, we don't fight the market. We just go with the flow and make sure we hold on to our defense. We are in long green defense here. So Going on down the line, XLK. There was some good news here that tech might be on the rise again. Um, we're at -8. We had a drop. This is really funny. I have to say, you have to watch out for the news. Hey, this is going to be going up, and it goes down. This is going down, but it's going up. Understand what they're doing. They're doing sales news. It's news, but it's sales. It's going down. Why? Because they want to buy at a cheaper price. So they want to panic the public so the public sells their shares at a cheaper price, and then the institutions come in and buy them all up. Oh, the price is going up, it's going to go through the roof. Now the public rushes in to buy, and they're waiting to sell their stuff. And as soon as you buy at the high price, they'll sell at the high price and collect their profits. Remember, trading is a poker game. They're taking money off the table, and it's your money, so be watching it. Okay, going on. Monster. What is going on here with Monster? Monster's going into a jalopy zone. You can see it here, up and down, up and down. All we can do is hold on to our long defense. Coming now down to our next one is quad. Did I miss anybody? No, we're at quad. And here's quad. And quad is, well, that's encouraging. It's staying above the gold line. So we stay above the gold line. We have potential. It's those 418. Come on, quad. I've been with you for a while. Going on to the last and final is the ETF for the health sector, and remember, this one here is going for low-hanging fruit. It was 410 from a stock that went belly up, and we're still down here at the well, no, we're not long distance defense. We're here at a stop limit of 135. So we're at what? We are, I have to go look at the trade price. It's buried somewhere. Don't worry about it. Anyway, the bottom line is that it's not there yet. This could be an indication, two things here. An indication that we're going to have a little bit more push and then come up. Because see how fast the angle of attack is on the stochastic? Also, too, it gets into this zone where it has a potential of being a V bottom. Like here, look. Boom. That's what you're looking for. That nice, beautiful V bottom. Look at that. Possibilities. We'll see. All right. That says for the alpha account, and the alpha account doesn't have any more entries. So we'll go on now to our tigers and get the tigers out of the way. TEL. Oh, TEL. What is TEL? TEL is the ETF for the 20-year bond. This is where they determine. And remember, this is sweet. This is very sweet. Look at this, people. Yeah, I know. I'm going through my thing. I'm calling my attention. There we are. It owes 105, and it's already 150. We're in the winner's zone, not the circle. The circle is when they pay back all my money, and then I retire them to the winner's circle list. So come on, Tao, get in there and knock off this 105, and we'll take another loser off our list. Going on, Dominion. Now, Dominion is, remember, Dominion here is it's in its last 30 days of the option, which means it's time decay. It's melting like an ice cube. So our stop is right in this area, right at the bottom of these candles is our stop. We're not looking at a lot of profit, $210 against 467. Almost half, not totally half, but something is better than nothing. You can get this baby into the lower zone, which means, of course, if the minion stops out here and it forms my U-turn, strategy, then I'll be back in the game to pick up the rest. That said, let's go on. IYR. Oh, IYR had a nice push today. No, it didn't. Of course, that's funny. I spotted the news. Okay, I don't read on the news, but I spotted here and there. It says IYR is in the uptrend today. I says, yeah, really, yeah, we had a gap here. What's this gap? This gap here is your pro gap. What's that mean? That means that price is going in this direction and the institutions are going that way. What did I tell you about the institutions? They're going to be JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch. You name them, we got them. They're selling off. And remember, too, we're now at the 24th of the month, which means that we're going to see anybody who's in profit is going to be selling off. Why? Because the reason is that they want to take their money off the table to do the pension checks. Okay, I'm at 10 minutes into the record. I want to lock this up. So let's go on now. Where are we? We are in IYR. So the T minus is our next one on T minus trade on disk on the Tigers account, and it's same pattern, same thing, and it's for 315. It goes here, so it's 36 bucks into it. We are now all into our long defense zone of defense. There's SPY. Ooh, ugly. When SPY goes down like that, that's not good. Why? Because SPY is the benchmark of the market. If the SPY goes down, the majority of the market will go down. Not everything, but the majority will. There's other stuff that was resilient. What's resilient was TLT is what they call a resilience. In other words, the market goes down, it goes up. Gold goes up. Silver goes up. Okay, finishing off there, our last person on the list of any interest is WBA, and they owe the Tigers 169, and they're into 294. So we have a combination of about almost just shy of $500. And that pretty much wraps it up for the winners and losers. Keep at it, keep going, and I thank you very much for checking out the winners and losers for September 24, 2019.